we're going to have a look at coordinates. Coordinates are really good ways to locate things on a map. So we use a vertical axis and a horizontal axis, and we use numbers and letters. So I'm going to put the numbers on the vertical axes, 1 through to 6. And along the horizontal side, I'm going to use letters, A, B, C, D, E, and F. And I can use the letters to line up things on my map. So for example, the park, always start with not the number, but the letter. And it is B. And the number is 3. So it lines up with B and 3. Then the shop lines up with E. And also with 3. So I can locate these two things. Now lastly, the car park lines up with C and 6. So a good way to locate things on the map.